Hello people, this is Gary Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about I have never had any problems manifesting money. So if you like the video related to manifestation power, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. I have never had any problems manifesting money. In fact, using the law of attraction to take money is one of the most favorite things to do. It's so much fun, and you would not believe just how easy it is. My first success story manifesting money with the law of attraction was back in 2014, still living at home with my mom and stepdad. Being 25, I so wanted to move out and get my own place, but buying a property in London on a single income was near enough impossible, especially considering I only had £7,000 in saving, which doesn't even count as peanut on the London property market. For months, I have gotten busy contacting estate agent and mortgage brokers looking at all my options, which were pretty dire. Everyone kept telling me that my chances of buying were virtually non existent. But I refused to buy into their negative belief and instead held onto my faith in the universe. As luck would have it, I would heard about a part rent, part buy scheme which seemed much more plausible for someone in my shoes. After several viewings of some gorgeous apartment, the reality of having a beautiful sanctuary to call my own felt a lot more possible. The only major obstacle was a number which just did not add up for me to get a mortgage. As the days and weeks wore on, it was becoming harder for me to keep the positive momentum I would mustered. But then, just like that, everything changed. Back then, I was still an amateur with the law of attraction and didn't really know what I was doing. I was really all about the secrets, so decided to write myself out a secret check for £5,000 just to see what happened. Manifesting this money would give me enough of a deposit to qualify for the part rent part buy scheme and secure a mortgage on my current income. Less than 2 weeks later, I was having a chat with my dad and explaining to him the situation, and just like that, he offered me £2,000, not as a loan but as a gift. I literally fell off my chair with disbelief. He would never done anything like this for me before. Furthermore, a few days later, he contacted me to tell me my aunt was happy to help out and lend me £3,000. In less than 3 weeks, I had manifested the £5,000 I had written myself out a check for. And in December 2014, just before Christmas, I had the keys to my new home. So believe me when I say the law of attraction work in overcoming challenges and fast. Since then, I have refined my law of attraction money making, as I like to call it, and now have it down to a fine art. Although I have been prone to stress about money from time to time, like everyone, real financial struggle has never ever been an issue for me, and I have always known what to do to find the answer when I have hit serious block. And because I believe in spreading the love, I'm going to share with you 7 of my favorite law of attraction money technique. These are practices you can apply to begin manifesting money for yourself today. Before I do, though, there's one thing you must understand. I completely get it if this all sounds too good to be true. And a part of you is thinking, this stuff never works for me. These are just limiting beliefs which I want you to do your best to shake off now. Money is a big hang up for many people, and it blocks them from achieving countless desires on their bucket list. Money keeps the masses trapped in crappy jobs, causing them to be restricted by time and enslaved to a lifestyle they don't want, all because they have got financial responsibilities such as car finance as well as plentiful other boring bills to pay. And if they are lucky at the end of the month, they might have some pennies left over to spend on themselves or maybe just maybe be able to afford a week holiday abroad once a year. People have been living this way for centuries and as a result have passed down negative belief about money over generation, which prevent the most basic law in the universe from working its miraculous solution, the law of attraction. So you're not alone in having the money does not grow on trees and is the root of all evil mindset. These are global core beliefs that have been programmed into millions of individuals since birth. Find out more about that here. Bearing that in mind, I want you to read through the following technique with an open heart and an open mind. My 7 favorite fun ways to manifest money. First is appreciation. Find example of ways you are already financially abundant and manifesting money every time you part with money instead of feeling anxious. Give thanks for having had the money in the first place. Appreciate your money you have already manifested. Make this a daily habit and write down purchase you have made that they have brought you pleasure. No matter how small it is, flow an energy of appreciation towards it. Second, carry cash. Withdraw some money, for example, £100, and carry it around with you, but don't spend it. Just keep it in your wallet, and whenever you see something nice, remind yourself that you have got the money to buy it if you really wanted to. Play, make believe, and keep spending that amount in your mind whenever you see luxuries you like. Third part, make a shopping list. Write out a detailed shopping list and spend money on specific items frequently, ideally every day. Pretend that you have an unlimited amount of money and can have whatever you want. So, for example, if you want to go on a holiday or buy a new car or house, go online and start getting ideas for the exact holiday destination, hotel, airline, where the nearest garage to you is that sells your dream car, and same with properties in the area you will love to live. Fourth part, create a powerful vision board. Get creative and add imagery to complement your shopping list by making a vision board. You can look at Daily Buyers Tackle magazine or go on Google Images and find all the luxury purchases you are going to spend your law of attraction money on. This is so how much fun and very powerful. Fifth part, write a secret check. Go on Google, type in the secret check or check for US spelling, print one and write in the amount you want, but make it a believable amount that you don't feel is impossible for you to attract right now. Carry the check around with you in your wallet and look at it frequently. I need to give one tip on this. This works even better if you apply technique number 3 with it as well. Sixth part, money visualization. Every night, whilst falling asleep, visualize money just flowing towards you from all directions into your bedroom and the door, coming through the window and falling from the ceiling onto your bed. Imagine a shower of money all around you. See yourself as an irresistible money magnet. Seventh part, law of attraction, money affirmation. Come up with your own money affirmation or mantra that you can repeat to yourself as much as possible. Make this your new best friend and say it often. My favorite money mantras are: my money is constantly increasing. I'm money magnet. I love money and money loves me. I'm attracting lots of money into my life easily and effortlessly. So that's all about the 7 law of techniques to manifest the money. I would like to request you all, please go through the description box. I prepared a small presentation for all of you. Please go through that. So before signing off, I would like to request you all, please do like, share, subscribe this video with your loved ones so that they will get to know better. So this is Carrie Anderson signing off. We will definitely meet in the next video with my other content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.